Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do another painting. Yay! A while back, I did a video where I unboxed a whole bunch of arts and crafts supplies. And one of the things I showed you was a collection of 36 Mandala stencils that I purchased. Lots of pretty designs. I don't know if you can see that. Some of them probably have holes too small, but some of them look really cool for pouring through. So I finally got around to doing something like I proposed with some popsicle sticks. Here's the one we're going to be working with today. And I've rigged it very carefully to keep it up off the canvas so we're actually pouring through it. And hopefully these little tops to 2-ounce cups won't get too much in the way. And then the paint will go through, we'll take everything off and we'll tilt and see what we get. We are going to use Deco Art Fluid Art Ready to Pour acrylics. I have picked the following colors: bright violet, pink, lavender. There's a new one for me, deep turquoise, and vivid orange. So this is more on the warm colors side than the cool colors that I tend towards. I thought we'd do, something wild and crazy. We need 5 ounces for an 8x10 canvas. So that's about half of one of these cups. So let us layer our paints and get going. All right, one more dollop and we should be good to go. All right, let's get our paints out of the way. Start pouring. Start pouring and see what we get. Here we go. All right, and now we tilt. Boy, that orange sure is vivid, isn't it? Ooh, I like that. And I'm not even crazy about I shouldn't say this. I was on the orange team at summer camp, so you know, when I say I'm not a big fan of orange, I just mean the color, not the team, which is the best team ever. Oh, that is lovely. I like. All right, let me get cleaned up and we will go in for a close-up. Here is the lower right-hand corner, across the bottom to the lower left-hand corner, up the top to upper left. So pretty. Oh, Lordy, I love this paint. Across the top to the upper right and back down the right side. I love the patterns we got from that mandala. That was fun. Definitely want to do another one of those or more. Okay, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried pouring through stencils. I'd love to see some examples of other people who've tried this. Leave me a comment. Share this if you found it interesting. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.